Meet Cooler, a waterproof roof coating that will help to reduce the operating costs of any building. Maintaining an optimal temperature in any facility comes with high energy consumption throughout most of the year. This results in an increase of the building's operating costs. Roofs of large-scale facilities are much more exposed to the harmful effects of sunlight. The deterioration of the coating, caused by overheating, creates problems. The Cooler system is a liquid waterproof coating. Cooler protects your roof against UV radiation, extending its life. It increases the durability of the roof and its resistance to weathering, preventing costly replacements. It also helps to reduce the temperature of the roof and thus of the inside of the building, which decreases the need to use cooling systems, further reducing electricity bills. Cooler improves the thermal comfort of indoor areas, improves farming and storage conditions, and increases the efficiency of employees, creates a waterproof layer on the roof surface that reflects sun rays. This way, it is. The first is responsible for the ability to dissipate absorbed heat. Its reflective abilities, on the other hand, allow you to reflect thermal radiation. Together, they shape the SRI, Solar Reflectance Index parameter, which expresses how well a given material reduces the effects of solar radiation. The higher it is, the less heat enters the building. The Cooler coating is environmentally friendly. Its application helps to reduce electricity consumption. It reduces the load on the power grid and the emission of carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. The Cooler system comes with a complete service and guaranteed professionalism. Our team of specialists will attend to you at every stage of the investment. They will ensure the highest quality of service from analyzing or building through consulting you on our products to completion. Choose our waterproof and highly reflective Cooler roof coating to lower the temperature of your building and reduce your electricity bills.
Saudi Vision 2030, which emphasizes sustainability and improving quality of life. The vision aims to create a healthier, more sustainable future by reducing emissions and promoting green initiatives. For more information, contact. We're happy to support a healthier, more sustainable environment. Enter advanced robotic duct cleaning technology, a game changer. Equipped with HD cameras, powerful brushes, and HEPA filtration, these intelligent machines navigated the intricate ductwork like never before.